Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Lenovo IdeaPad powered on, but screen is stuck and dark black display with the black light. Okay, so how to fix? So guys, forcefully for 10 seconds, hold the power button. You can see this one. Okay, this is power button. Press 10 second, continue 10 to 15 second. After that your screen will be turned off. Okay, and then disconnect all USB pen drive, hard disk, anyone, disconnect it from the USB, and then again after 20 second just single click to power button. After that it will come back. Okay, your system, it will normal boot. After that click to start, type, press the reset the display driver. So in the your keyboard, Windows Control Shift and press B. You can select also from your on screen keyboard, but you can, after that it will, you can see it will refresh the uh, driver like this one. Okay, control Windows Control Shift B. Okay, like this. And last and very important method, repair Windows file, click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type sfc scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start a percentage. When it is completed, then need to restart your system and then please check it. Thank you. And please comment me if your issue is not resolved. I will create another video. Please share your laptop model number. Thank you.